Okay, I have a 2004 Acura RSX, and I want to show you how worn outer tie rods look like. Okay, so first you can see here uh, there's grease buildup, dirt, and you can see the rubber boot, it's already ripped. Okay, so another thing that you can check, it's you should not be able to move this with your hand. Okay, these move only with the weight of the car, not with your hand. So it's important that you replace this, because if you don't, uh, you're gonna damage your tires. You're gonna wear out the tires very quickly. Also, when you replace the outer tie rod or the inner tie rod, it's important that you do a wheel alignment. Okay, this is the driver side. I'm gonna show you the passenger. Okay, so pretty much the same. You can see the grease build up, the dirt, and also it's very easy to move. So usually when the outer tie rod they're not good anymore, it's recommended to replace the inner tie rod, including with the outer, because I'm pretty sure the inner tie rods are worn out too. So just wanted to show you how worn out tie rods look like. Hopefully helps you. Share, comment if you have any questions, subscribe.